Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this moment, I will presentation my PowerPoint, and the article is with the title Arresting Early Childhood Archarias Using Silver and Fluoride Products, Randomized Trial. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Raffi Gemeres Kilawira with name 311024000005. Okay, maybe next. So, in my PowerPoint, the overview is short, and then what are the subject and object the research journal, and then what is the objective of the journal, and then what is or are the research questions of the journal, and then list some theoretical frameworks which were used in the journal, and then what research method or design which was used in the journal, and then what research instrument which was or were used in the journal, and then what is or are the results of the conducted research in the journal, and then conclusion, and then I will put my link video, and then closing. Okay, next, maybe this is the source of my journal. They're from Gao S 10 KG Duang Tip D Wong MGM LO EGM and 2 TCH from 220 with the title Arresting Early Childhood Carries Using Silver and Fluoride Product, a randomized trial, Journal of Dentistry 103. Next, let's the first question. What are the subject and object of the research in this journal? So the subject of the subject of this study were 3 until 4 years old children attending kindergarten in the good health with at least one active dentinal caries lesion or early children caries or ECC, and parental consent to participate in the study. And the object of the research in the journal is the study was focused on early childhood dental caries, specifically the effectiveness of two silver and fluoride based treatment. 200% silver nitrate application followed by 5% sodium fluoride varnish and 38% silver diamine fluoride application in arresting the development of dental caries. Okay, maybe next, the second question. What is or are the objective of the journal? So the aim of this paper is to evaluate and compare the effectiveness of two types of silver and fluoride-based product, namely the application of 25% silver nitrate followed by 5% sodium fluoride varnish, and the application of 38 silver diamine fluoride, or we usually call SDF, in stopping the development of early childhood caries or ECC in preschool children during a follow-up period of up to 30 months. And next, the third question. What is or are the research question of the journal? The research question of the journal are: first, this study aims to compare the effectiveness of using 25% silver nitrate followed by 5% sodium fluoride varnish, and 38% silver diamine fluoride, or we call SDF. in stopping dental caries in early childhood is the application of 25% silver nitrate followed by 5% sodium fluoride varnish as effective as 38% SDF in stopping dental caries in early childhood. Then in addition, this study also assesses the efficacy of both materials in stopping the development of dental caries in children. Is there a difference in the success rate of stopping dental caries in early childhood between these two treatment methods? Okay, maybe next for our fourth question. List some theoretical frameworks which were used in this journal. So the theory of the theoretical in this journal is first is the theory of the process of dental caries. Nah, which states that caries is a multifactorial disease caused by the interaction of plaque bacteria, carbohydrate substrates, tooth host, and time. In addition, this journal is used to the theory of enamel demineralization and remineralization, in which fluoride plays a role in increasing remineralization and inhibiting caries progression. And then the third theory is the antibacterial effect of silver ions. Is also the basis of the theory because silver compounds, such as silver nitrate and silver diamine fluoride, are able to inhibit the activity of carcinogenic bacteria. Another framework used is the concept of non-invasive caries prevention in early childhood and an evidence-based dentistry approach. In assessing the effectiveness of silver and fluoride-based material as explained by Duong Tip D, Fung MHT, Wong MCM, and Chu TH. The next, the fifth question is what research method or design which was used in the journal? So, we research design in this journal. There a quantitative study with a non-inferiority randomized clinic trial or RCT design. Subjects were randomly divided into two intervention group. A group receiving semi-annual application of 25% silver nitrate followed by 5% sodium fluoride varnish, and a group receiving 38% silver diamine fluoride or SDF. This study aims to compare the effectiveness of both intervention in halting the development of early childhood caries or ECC in early childhood. Treatment outcome data were statistically analyzed EBM or SPSS static test version 20.0 to assess difference in caries across success rates between treatment group. And then the sixth question, what research instrument which were used in the journal? So there are two instruments were used. The first instrument is visual and tactical clinic examination of teeth. There are to assess the status of active caries and arrest caries, and the second instrument is clinical record form. So to document the condition of caries lesion before and after the application of silver and fluoride materials. And then the seventh question is what is or are the results of the conducted research in the journal? So there are two results. The first result is comparison of the effectiveness of material in stopping early childhood caries or ECC. So the results show that the application of 25% silver nitrate, or we also call AgNO3, followed by 5% sodium fluoride or NEF, furnace was equivalently effective, not inferior to 38% silver diamine fluoride or SDF in stopping ACC. After 30 months of observation, the average number of tooth surface with stopped caries in the AgNO3 plus NIF group was 3.7 until maybe 3.6, while in the SDF group it was 3.6 until maybe 3.7 with a statistically insignificant difference. Like P is 0.694. This suggests that the combination of AgNO3 and NAF may be an equally effective alternative to SDF in the management of early childhood caries. And then the second result is factor influencing caries treatment and clinical operation. Nah, the success of caries treatment is influenced by several factors, including the initial caries volume, the development of new caries, the location of the tooth and the lesion surface, and maybe daily snacking habits. Caries lesion or anterior teeth and buccal surface are more easily stopped than on posterior teeth and occlusal surface. Furthermore, both treatment methods do not cause serious side effects other than a blackish discoloration of the stopped caries lesion, making them safe, non-invasive, and applicable as caries treatment strategies for young children, especially in state setting with limited access. Okay, so the conclusion is the conclusion is so in the conclusion in my presentation, so there are semi-annual application of 25% silver nitrate followed by 5% sodium fluoride varnish has been shown to be non-inferior to the application of 38% silver diamine fluoride or SDF in halting the development of early childhood caries or ECC in young children. Both methods are effective, non-invasive approach to caries management in preschool children, making them a practical and affordable treatment alternative in pediatric dental care. So in this slide, I will put my link video. So uh, Miss Distari can click the YouTube logo. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your attention. Maybe this enough for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.